Guys, I'm doing my first commission. AKA, my mom asked if I could make her a painting. She said, landscape, green. So that's what I'm gonna do. I wanna go a little more whimsical than I usually do, though. As you can see, I like to add the paint directly to canvas. This way, I don't waste anything. Here I'm using grass green, viridian green, and off-white. I then mix everything with an old makeup brush. You can use a blending brush. It would actually be better if you used a blending brush, but I don't have one. So here you have it, and it works pretty well, as you can see. For the sky, I add a lot of off-white, ultramarine blue, yellow ochre, and crimson red. Then I mixed everything with the makeup brush again. And then I made some slight adjustments, like darkening the extremities with blue and green, and making the sky whiter and lighter. Gold! I then made a subtle line separating the sky from the floor area and added a waterfall with white, off-white. It's off-white. No white was used, or maybe it was, I don't really remember. But yeah, I added the waterfall. And then I looked at it, and I couldn't tell if it was nice or not.
Ai, como é que eu faço isto? Isto é suposto ser tipo uma cascata.
Ah, eu percebo.
Parece.
Eu percebo. Estou a ver uma cascata aí. A cascata vem do céu?
Sim, mais ou menos.
Well, I didn't really like it that much. So, Control Z. Yes. A bit more adjustment, more color, yes. Gold! I thought the other waterfall was a bit boring. So, here I'm creating a more interesting shape with a little pond in the bottom. Look at that. Look at that. And now we go to the left and we go down, but like slightly diagonally, you know? Yeah, that's right. Just like that. Just like that. I know I'm going really abstract on this, but I really like the way it's looking right now. It took me less than half an hour to do that. It took me longer to have the idea. It took me like 2 days maybe to have the idea. Why do the colors look so muted in this camera? The background. And now, right here, there will be a horse and maybe a unicorn, aka I'm gonna turn the horse into a unicorn if I feel like it. And then, right, a dragon. No dragons. It's for my mom. I don't know, you can tell that this is the floor and this is like the sky, kind of. And this is clearly a waterfall. But like, where is it coming from? I don't really know, but it's like abstract, you know? The colors, do we like the colors? I think I really like the colors, actually. It's more of a blue than a green. But I'm gonna add a bit more green anyway. Yeah. Can I make a horse? Probably not. I'm gonna cheat. Okay, I'm gonna trace. Okay, now I'm copying the shape of the horse to the canvas. As you can see.
Uau! Que técnica! Ei, está bem bonito aqui. Tá.
7 seconds away. Then I start painting the horse with the off-white, but also with some blue to make the shadows. Okay, can I say something? Let me say something. BOWTIE! BOWTIE! I'm sorry. I am sorry. And here Louis is gonna come and help me. See, look at this. Okay, this might sound a little bit silly, but making the horse took me an hour. Or it probably took me over an hour, okay? Double the time it took me to make the background. Isn't that crazy? I think that's a little silly. And yes, after it dried, I used the white marker to make details since I don't have a small enough brush. I decided to sit at my desk and paint the two little birds that I wanted to paint on the top left directly. It's a simple shape, so there's no need for sketches. I still use the reference because I don't know, if I painted a bird from my head, as I was saying, if I painted a bird from my head only, it would probably look busted. Also, do you like the mermaid inside my PC case? Here's some pictures. I made her and it's recorded, but I'm not sure if I should make a video with that. I then decided to paint a castle in the distance. That's why it's all white. There's no details. I don't want details. This is not realism. It's a mystical, fantasy, almost childish type of painting. But you know what? I really like it. I'm going full 2000s Barbie over here. Then I added some details to the water, of course.
Very Barbie.
Now it's time to make this sort of frame with using paint. I don't know why, but I really wanted to add a frame. It was in my head, it was in my idea inside my head since I started, okay? So using gold and green, I start making the frame. Really, there's no science to this. I'm just doing whatever comes naturally, and then I take a step back and I look at it, and then I keep doing it until I'm happy. That's it. That's my secret technique. Hope you liked. Let's follow for more tips and tricks in life. Yes, about life. This is all about life. This is a metaphor for life. You know what I mean? Like, do you see it? Do you see it? No, I'm just bullshitting you, but yes. I start going over the extremities with a palette knife, and the rest is history. Spoiler, it turned out pretty good. At least I am really happy with this. Like, I rarely say that about things that I made, but this time I can say that I look at that and I'm like, yeah, I made that. I made that. I like it. I really like it. Like, I really like it. Here it is. It shimmers in the light. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's beautiful. I think I should have painted a bigger painting, to be honest with you. I think this deserved to be like double the size. Then I just added my signature, my real name, because I'm not going to use my internet alter ego. It doesn't make sense. And then I painted the edges, as you saw, and I add varnish, a lot of varnish directly to the canvas, though this might leave lines, so be aware. I don't recommend, but still, I don't have patience. You know, this is how I do things. Guys enjoyed that. I'm very happy with the painting, even though the horse isn't like realistic, but it wasn't supposed to be realistic. And I'm definitely gonna paint more things like that. And I'll see you next time for something else.